It can be very expensive to make sure that you have what you need as you age. Throughout my healthcare career, I was able to see firsthand the struggles that older adults had to stay in their homes and to age in place. That is really what drove me to bring about Main Street Landing. Main Street Landing is a one-of-a-kind community in Gloucester, Virginia. It's not just the physical environment through the houses that Ryan Homes is building, but it's the healthcare prevention and wellness services offered by Riverside Health System. Your house is an investment, but it's an affordable, quality home that you're investing in, and you're able to stay there as you age. Wider doorways and hallways, walk-in showers, comfort height toilets, lever controls versus knobs that you turn. Someone else is going to take care of the landscaping. You're able to have a virtual office visit with your doctor. All of these features are included, and it gives you more time and more freedom to do the things that you love. In less than a mile, you can be on Main Street, where you can meet friends for coffee. You can go shopping, go to church. There are festivals, from the Daffodil Festival to the Art Festival. You have Beaver Dam Park, where you can go fishing or walk through nature trails throughout the community. There will not be a loss of anything to do. Main Street Landing is truly where you can age in place.